Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can find your saved posts in Instagram app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching. So, let us get started with you friends. And when you open up the Instagram app, you immediately have an Instagram feed that you can scroll through, and if you want to save any of your posts, whether it's a photo or a video, you can easily do that. To do that, you'll need to click here. And as you can see, automatically such a post is already saved. But where can you find such posts that you have saved? It's very simple. To do this, you need to go to your page. Then, friends, on the top right, click on the three bars. After that, find the Saved section. Click on that. And here, friends, you will see all the posts that you have saved. If you have also previously saved your favorite music, then right here next to it you will have another folder called All Music. In order to find a particular post in your saved posts, just click on that folder. And that way you can flip down to find the post you want. To open it, just click on it. And you can see your saved post. Friends, this is the very simple method. Like this, you can easily find your saved posts in Instagram. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write comments and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.